Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page and see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is if you are a person that likes to run or walk and you're looking for some super comfortable shoes, I've got the perfect product for you. So this was sent over by a company called K-Swiss, and it's obviously gonna come right here in this box. The particular shoes that I have are called the Tubes. So this is the Men Tubes 200 training shoe. They're gonna come in a lot of different colors and sizes. They even come in wide if you are a person that likes wide. I will say if you're like right on the cusp, so I'm like right on the cusp of a size 11. They do fit at size 11. They are a little tight, so you may wanna consider sizing up. 11 and a half probably would have been absolutely perfect, but like I said, they do fit really nice. Now, as you can see, very stylish. I have the black, blue, and gray one. I love the actual look of these things, but what makes these unique are that tube aspect. So as you can see here along the bottom, you're gonna notice it has all these little holes here in these little tubes. And this is gonna provide great rebound and great collapsing when you are running and walking out there. It keeps your feet from being fatigued. Now, not only that, it has a nice little memory foam insert. So once again, it's got a nice cushion on the inside. And then on the outside, it's made of a nice mesh material, which once again allows for good airflow, keeps your feet from getting kind of all sweaty and nasty, and just allows some air to move in there. Also, the kind of padding here is moisture wicking, which is another nice aspect of it, because it is made out of what they call a molded EVA midsole. So all this is built in here to allow support, wick away moisture, and allow you to get out there walking and running and training and not having to worry about how your feet feel at the end of the day. So pretty cool. Now, as far as that liner, like I mentioned, it's their own little technology called the Ortho Light, which has got a sock little liner in here that helps with that moisture. Overall though, really nice design, very comfortable, very unique shoes. If you're in the market and you're looking for some great training, walking, running shoes, these are totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.